This is Mr. V. Welcome to this video on drawing routes. Here's our question. So we are given some directions for a route, and we need to draw that route and then find the distance from start to finish for this route. Notice that nowhere in this question we are given a scale, so we're going to have to make one up. Now I can see that my largest distance is 60 kilometers. And we need to fit that 60 kilometers on our drawing. And I can pick that easily, and I can go, okay, well, 6 centimeters is 60 kilometers. I think we can do a bit better than that though. I think we could fit 12 centimeters on our page. And making it bigger makes them more accurate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this 60 kilometers in real life proportional to 12 centimeters on my map. There it is. So 60 kilometers is proportional to 12 centimeters. And to make that usable, we want to change either the 60 kilometer side or the 12 centimeter side to 1. And because we're going to be measuring in centimeters, we'll make that the centimeter side. So I'm going to divide 12 by 12, and I'm going to divide 60 by 12 to give me my unit equivalency of 5 kilometers is proportional to 1 centimeter. In other words, every centimeter on my ruler is equal to 5 kilometers in real life. Alright, my starting point is over here. I've drawn it in this top left corner, and we're going to start drawing our routes. And the first thing we need to do is convert our distances into map distances. So we've got real distances, 48 kilometers, 60 kilometers, 35 kilometers. We need them in our map distances. How am I going to do that? Yeah, you remember that correctly. We're gonna divide each of these by the scale factor. So 48 divided by 5 equals, and 48 divided by 5, let's calculate that. 48 divided by 5 equals, and we get 9.6, and that is centimeters now. So this leg I'm going to have to draw 9.6 centimeters long. Now let's do all of these in one go. BC is 60 kilometers, which is proportional to 60 divided by 5, which of course is equal to 12 centimeters. We kind of made it so that was true. CD is 35 kilometers, which is proportional to 35 divided by our scale factor of 5, which is equal to 7 centimeters. You got it. There's my working. It's pretty much all the work I'm going to have to do. Everything else will be drawing. Now we are drawing bearings, and so of course the very first thing you think is, let's draw in north. And you'd be absolutely right with that. There's north. And I'm going to draw in my bearings. My first leg is at 120 degrees. So I'm going to put my focus on our starting point, 0 towards north, and I'm going to measure out 120 degrees. There it is, and I'll draw a line. That way. And we measured out, we calculated that needed to be 9.6 centimeters long on our map. So I'll take my ruler and I'll measure 9.6 centimeters down this track. 9.6, there it is. Draw my line. This is point A, our starting point. This is point B. Now, another bearing, so we need to draw in another north line. And this time, it's the north line at B. It's going straight up. And we're going to measure a bearing of 200 and I'm going to use the fact that this is 180 degrees, so I need to measure out a remaining 20. There we go, that direction, and there is my line. And ooh, that's not good. That looks like we just went off page a little. Alright, we will deal with that.